Hey guys, today let's learn how to use Copilot Assistant on Windows 11. So if you guys would like to go ahead and use this feature on your device, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So if you guys already have the Microsoft Copilot located on your taskbar, I'd like you guys to go ahead and launch it. Right now I'm on my PC. I don't really have that updated on my PC just yet, so I'm going to show you guys the exact same one just by accessing it through the Microsoft Edge browser. Now you should see the Microsoft Copilot right here, and the same thing goes if it is going to be located over on your taskbar. Now to use this is pretty simple. First of all, you could actually choose a conversation style. You could also choose more precise, more creative, or just the right balance between the two. Now once you've already chosen your preferred conversation style, you could actually now go ahead and ask anything on Microsoft Copilot. Now whether that may be to suggest popular action movies, what are the new features of the latest CSS release, and also help you out with writing some outlines of a book report to help you get started. So in this case, you could always go ahead and ask them anything like, would you suggest the iPhone 14 Pro Max in 2023, and see what it will answer us. And of course, wait for this to load. And as you see, it just went ahead and explained why the iPhone 14 Pro Max is still worth it in 2023. So you can actually go ahead and read this up and see also its sources by tapping on the clickable links over here. And you also get the option to tap on the compose option right here, and this actually allows you guys to create some essays, articles, and some professional academic work using the compose option to write about a specific topic, then choosing what tone, choosing a format as well, length, and you can now see the preview on the bottom right here. That's all you guys need to know about using Microsoft Copilot. Of course, on the last tab you do have your insights and stuff like that, but essentially that is what you guys need to know. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.